guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today I thought we would do my favorite summer lip colors, lip swatches. You can see my lips and my foundation getting worse and worse as this video goes on, but I wanted to do it for you guys. I realized how much of a problem I have with lipsticks in my lipstick collection, so this was very, very hard. Believe me, my hands are stained all different kinds of colors. I have a problem. It's a problem. Anyways, if you guys are interested in this video, then keep watching. We go from all different types of low end, high end, all that good stuff, liquid, matte, satin, anything you could think of. So if you want to see this video, then keep watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload at least 3 to 4 times a week, so I'd love to have you guys be parts of my little growing family. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first up we have the shade blah 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 Candy Venom, which is the one I am wearing right now. This is from Fenty. As far as her lipsticks go, I do really like them. The only thing I probably don't like about them is the packaging. Sometimes I think it's cute when I look at it, and it's cute to like have in a purse because it's super slim, but these are, I think, 18 bucks, so they are a little bit expensive, and the packaging, it's just, you don't get a lot of product, like that's what you get. So they are a little bit pricey, but this is probably my favorite shade from that line, and there's also an orange shade I like, but very pretty, very vibrant, and just a really gorgeous pink. So let's get into the next one. The next shade I have is Fetch, So Fetch from Tarteist Lip Paints. I don't love the lip paints as much as other formulas. I don't feel like they dry down. It kind of stays wet on your lips. Here. Okay, so I do like this color a lot. It is a little bit more coral pink than the last shade I showed you, but this is probably my favorite from that line. I don't reach for these too much. So this is the shade Hot Emily from Charlotte Tilbury. Her lipstick formula is definitely one of my favorites. It is pricey. They are 32 bucks, so not cheap. I love the vintage packaging. It just looks so cute and pretty, but this is probably my favorite shade, and I feel like it's still really wearable. It's not like whew, bright, but it's just like that perfect like summer scoot. This next shade is probably one of my absolute favorites. This is Solo from Kat Von D. This is their studded lipstick. One, packaging again, but this shade is super unique. It's that perfect like cross between a peachy color and that orange color. It's not so orange to where you're like, that's orange, but it's also not peach. So I love that it's a cross between the two. I find these super comfortable. I do have to reapply, obviously, because they are bullet, but I think it's totally worth it. So next we have the shade Surprise Me. This is Kylie Cosmetics, the Velvet formula. I find these to be my favorite from her line. I do like her mattes, but these are super hydrating and they fade away super nicely. So even though it's a bright color, wearing it for a few hours, it does transfer. However, one, it's super comfortable, and two, you know, it's it fades really nice. So it doesn't look like crusty and coming off half your side. It really does fade into a really nice like stain, which is why I really like these. The thing with these, and same with like other like just plain lipsticks, I do prefer the formula over a matte liquid lipstick. However, because my lips are dry as shit and crusty, which nobody likes, but I hate that transfer onto like a glass. Like if I go out and want to drink a glass of wine, I am that girl that will ask for a straw. I hate the look of it, and I used to bartend and I hated cleaning lipstick off glasses. I don't know, it just grossed me out. So yeah, rant over. Next color. So this is the shade Panda from Colourpop. So is the formula my favorite? Not exactly, but it's 6 bucks. It's not bad, and for the color range, I love so many of their different colors. I think this is perfect for like a date night in the summertime, or if you're wearing like a little black dress. I find it okay for the daytime too. It's not that dark, but I do love this color. I find it to be one of the more unique shades I have. for a berry. I know that there are a lot of berry tones, but this one happens to be one of my favorites, especially for liquid lipsticks. A lot of them are super patchy, and I don't notice that one with this one. So Panda from Colourpop, $6. Can't beat the price. And the color is lovely. This, ooh. My lips are starting to burn, guys. I am going in with foundation every time so you guys can kind of see the true color. This is Karina from Anastasia. It definitely looks, I feel like you can't really tell on camera as much, but it's definitely pink. So I'll do a swatch for you guys so you can see a little bit better. I feel like on my lips it's kind of coming out a little, maybe a little reddish toned, but it is a very pink color. Again, Anastasia is not my favorite as far as lipstick formula for their mattes. However, I do love this color, so I make exceptions, you know? You can't have it all. So this is another date night summer color. So this is Berry Mojito from Tarte. These are super, super hydrating. One of my favorite lipstick formulas, like hands down. I absolutely love the formula on this. Obviously you do have to reapply, but if you need something hydrating, because you know, your lips looking super dry, these are great. But I think this is, you know, more of a fun date night kind of color. The undertone, it's like almost like a really deep berry, but also with a lot of red in it. So I really like this for a night out type look. This is Little Weapon from Colourpop. I am not a classic red girl. I need a brighter undertone or like a really deep. For some reason, classic reds with like that blue undertone are just not my favorite. I just don't feel, I don't want to say comfortable because I could wear like a blue lipstick out and be comfortable, but like it's just not, I just don't vibe with it. I don't know what it is. It's just, I don't know. So I really like brighter red shades. So this one is great. Same thing, $6, super affordable. Cozy is also a great color. It's kind of similar to this, but a little bit more orangey. And I am going to go into another orange next, but this is more of a red than I would say orange, just a bright red. So my face is starting to look a little crazy. I'm gonna fix that. But anyways, I'm doing it for you guys, okay? Okay, I know I look like a little bit like it's definitely, yeah, it's bad. Anyways, this color is Riviere, I don't know, from Kathleen Lights. I feel like, so this is an ultra satin as well. It's not as drying though, I feel like, as most. It's actually pretty creamy like as it goes on. So I really like this. I have to have the fan on, it's too hot not to, but then my hair blows everywhere and it's just, oh. So anyways, if you like these bright oranges, burnt orange, like orange red type shades, I have a ton. So this is one of my favorites. I like that it is super bright, super orange. You could really just do some black eyeliner and this and be on your way and you still look put together. And I don't feel like these colors are too daring. I love oranges on pretty much any skin tone, but they're just one of my favorite colors to have. I have a million orange lipsticks. So if you are looking for something like this and you cannot get Colourpop or you just want other options, Kat Von D and Agogo is very similar, as well as this Maybelline Heroine. These are their matte ink. So these are all pretty similar. These are like my top 3 oranges, all different pricing. Kat Von D is most expensive, and then these two are pretty similar for drugstore type prices, so around like $6. Those are my orange favorites. We're gonna put on one more and then we're just gonna discuss some honorable mentions because my face is just getting worse and worse as this goes. Okay, so this is the last color I'm going to swatch on my lips. This is Kylie in Cosmetics in Apricot. These sell for 29 bucks. You get a lip liner and a lipstick. I would say the only thing is with these lighter shades, you probably want a deeper liner to make it look good, you know? So, or if you have a deeper skin tone like I do, or I wouldn't say I have a deep, but like a medium skin tone, then I would rather have a deeper liner go with it. They just tend to match the color. But if you are looking for Kylie Cosmetics shades, I really like this. This is more of a neutral, brighter shade. I wanted to at least throw one of those in there. I didn't want to do a nude collection because this video would never end, ever. So this is one of my favorite, more neutral but still brighter shades. From that line, I really like for summer, I love Dirty Peach. It is a very peach color, and peach is all my thing. So I love that one. If you are looking for a bright ass pink, Say No More is in the Velvet formula, and that is gorgeous. I did do a lip swatch video of a lot of her summer shades, so you can check those out, and I am still loving them. The Velvets, yes. As far as other ones I have, if you are someone who more or less just likes a gloss that has a little bit of a tint to it, these Kopari lip balms are perfect. These definitely go with me pool days, beach, vacation type thing. It just comes with a really pretty sheen. My favorite is Mai Tai. It gives me a tiny bit of a coral sheen on my lips, but so comfortable. And you know, you don't have to worry about like smearing it all over your face. It's just the lightest little tint. I also really like these Artist Acrylic Lip from Makeup Forever. They are kind of the same thing. They have a little sponge and they just glide on super easy and more or less just feels like a gloss than anything else. As far as lip liners go, because I feel like that's the hardest thing to find with a lot of these brighter lip shades. Actually, I have one more lipstick. What was I thinking? I only have a tiny one. This is Bella from Stila, and it is a gorgeous hot pink as well. I didn't want to swatch too many pinks, you know? They all start to look the same after a while. So, but if you are looking for lip liners, I feel like coral pinks are really hard to find colors for. My top 3 is this lip cheat from Charlotte Tilbury in Pink Venus, which of course I did not shop in, but it's more for like hot pink shades. There it is right there. And then if you want a lip liner for like those orangey shades, which I think is the hardest thing to find, I finally found one that I'm like, yes, this works. So for oranges, I really like this Velvet lip liner from NARS, and it is the color Playa Dorado. So that is what that looks like. I know my camera doesn't really pick it up, but this is like the perfect for orange colors. So great lip liner for that. I also have Kat Von D in Smith's. I love these liners. They glide on super easy. And it's more, this is more of like a pinky coral, but super bright. And then the other one is definitely an orange. I'm gonna start doing a little series of just summer products that I love, like favorite bronzers for summer, favorite highlights for summer, favorite everything for summer. Even though I don't love summer. I really don't. I like the idea of summer, but I don't actually like it. I don't know. I don't think Arizona's summer. It's hell. That's what it should be labeled. We don't have summer here. It's just... Alright guys, that is all it for my summer lipstick favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. I want to let oh Jesus. Ah. Alright guys, that is it for my summer lipstick favorites. I hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyable. And let me know what your favorite summer lipstick shade to wear is. And if you have any recommendations, I would love to know and hear your guys' thoughts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. My name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. Oh, you have an itch. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh.